Today we talk about how can you back up on your Score Planner app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on backup here and restore. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So just switching to open video here. And here you sign in with your email. You click here on allow here. So then you just switch to open video here when it's going to sign with you. So then you click here on backup now here. So then here it's going to back up with you automatically here in this list on your Score Planner app like you see now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.